Hello, my name is Cindy and welcome to my channel. This video is going to be a video just given to you to show people how to make a simple video using your phone. Okay, I use my phone. I take pictures using my phone, and I also use the iMovie app. Okay, now when I first started making these simple videos, I just wanted to make a small video of something we did as a family. We went to visit my mother-in-law on vacation, and I wanted to make a memory. Okay, it wasn't to impress the world on YouTube or anything. It was just to make a memory and to share it with my family. And my family lives kind of all over, so it's a great way for them to see it. So I just wanted to show you what I do. I press on take the pictures, of course, and short videos that you might want to put into your video. Now, when I first did this, I went to visit my mother-in-law, took a bunch of pictures, took a few little videos, and I didn't really know what I was going to do with it. But if you know that you're going to make a video, you could be a little more intentional on what pictures that you take and what videos that you take, and then you can put it together later. So what you do is you go to the iMovie app, and then you can go on to the plus sign. So that's where you're going to make a video. Okay, it says here you're going to make a movie. So you're going to press on movie, and then it's going to come up with all the photos that you took, and it's going to start with the most recent ones. So what you can do is you can go in order of all of those pictures or videos. Now, if you have any repeats or anything that you might want to leave out, just keep that in mind as you go along. I'm going to select all of them. I think there's a short one that I'm going to skip because it's kind of just like another one that I have. And then I'm going to go in order. So I selected the pictures and videos that I'm going to have in the movie. And then you're going to go to the bottom and you're going to press create movie. Okay, so it's going to take a couple minutes to create movie, and it's going to put all of those pictures in order as a movie. And what you can do is you can look at it as it goes along in order, and if there's anything that you don't want, you can take it out. Okay, so this is my movie, and it's in order, and it will kind of go through each photo. And now when there's a video, it's going to have sound to it. Okay, so this was us taking the walk. This is when we actually got to our place, and I'm planning on putting this up on YouTube, this whole video, once I finish it. Okay, now there are some specialty things that you can do with it as well. Now, if you will look at the plus sign right here, you can add music. Now, if you're going to put videos on YouTube, you're not supposed to use copyrighted music. So on the iMovie, it's kind of cool. They have their own music that is okay for videos. So you can go to soundtracks, and it will show up as all the different soundtracks that they have for you that are okay for YouTube videos. Okay, and this one I already have. I don't like that one. So you can kind of listen to it. Whoops, I don't want that one. I do not want that one. Weekender? No. Oh, if you press the ad, then it goes on. I'm thinking it's gonna go off. I really like at the end, I like the travel one, and I like the playful one. Yeah, I think I want that one. That's pretty common. A lot of people use the same one. Now, so this is going to be added to my video. Alright, so there's our walk, and when you have noise on the video, then the music will kind of go lower for you. Okay, so that's good. I like that so far. Then, if you would like to add text, so we are going to go, you can do voiceover right here. So if you want to talk while the video is going, you can press voiceover. So that will work. Instead of the music, you can have voiceover. You can, I think you can have both. You can have voiceover and music. So if you want to say, type something like a title, okay? So I'm going to press on your picture. So I'm going to press on the first picture, and then it's going to highlight in yellow. And then I'm going to come down to the T for text. Okay, and then it's going to give me some choices on how I want those presented. Okay, so I am going to press reveal. And so it says title text here. So I'm going to come up here and I'm going to delete the title text, and I'm going to put, let's see, our morning walk. And I'm going to put maybe a date. Our morning walk, New Hampshire. I'm not going to put a date because my YouTube video will have a date on it. So I'm not going to put a date. So I'm going to say our morning walk, New Hampshire, comma, New Hampshire. Okay, so that's going to be done. So now I'm going to go back and I'm going to see how it looks. Okay, so now I have, I don't know if I like that. It has our morning walk, New Hampshire. There's something extra in there, so I have to go back. Oh, it says line and line. So I used the wrong one. So I'm going to delete this. Okay, delete the text. I have to go to the picture. I have to go to cut. Alright, so now I'm back to putting in what I want. So I have text and I want reveal. I don't want the line thing. Okay, and then I want okay, that works. Alright, now if you want to change how it transitions in the middle, you can use what is underneath. There are different transitions. So you press on the transition part and then you just keep going. So you press the middle, you look at the transition, and it will give you different choices. So you can do that for variety. So sometimes I want it with this one, sometimes I want it with just sliding it over, then I'll go back to that one, and then I will slide it over again. It just kind of gives variety to your video. Now if you do this on your computer, which I have a MacBook Pro, and I can also do this on my computer, and you have more choices. So I have more variety to do it on my computer if you do it on your computer, but you can do it pretty well on your phone. Okay, then I also want to show you when you click on the picture, it has what you call a Ken Burns effect. And if you want the video to have the Ken Burns effect, you have there's a way you can adjust that as well. Just a minute, I'm going to watch. Alright, so far I like it. I'm going to go to edit, and I'm going to go back and check my Ken Burns. Okay, it says done. I'm going to go back to edit and edit. And you can also put your text center or lower, which is kind of cool. Alright, so I'm going to go to my photo. Alright, so I think I'm just going to leave it like this. I think once you put the music in, you can't change the Ken Burns. I think that's the problem. Once you put the music in, it goes the way it is, which is fine for this one. But there is another way that you can do the Ken Burns effect, which makes the picture go in and out. And maybe I'll make another video on that one. But so I'm going to say on the last one, I'm going to say something. Let's see. Thanks for watching. And I'm going to put that on the lower. So I can say thanks for watching. And if you see this video and you like what you see, I would really appreciate you to like and subscribe to my channel. I will be sharing lots of VIP Kids stuff and some other things that might be helpful to anybody and a little bit of family. So if you would like to join my subscriber group, I would really appreciate it. And go ahead and like this video and put a comment if you have a question or you would like to say something about this video or something else that you'd like me to make a video about. Please feel free. Have a great day. Goodbye.